What's up, everyone? I just spent my whole entire morning and a lot of money to get these things right here. These are officially the plates for the new truck, the 2500. If you guys haven't seen that, you're about to see it again. But today is a huge day. I'm extremely nervous. Some big things are happening. And we'll get you up to speed about it in just a little bit, but let's get out to the shop and get our life together. There's the old girl. If you guys haven't been up to date in the videos, I did buy myself an 04 2500 HD Sierra, the perfect tow rig, exactly what I needed and exactly what I wanted. So here you go. Nice work. Looks good on there. So now the truck's all set. We can move on to the next thing. And in about an hour, with this money, I'm either gonna be making one of the best or one of the worst decisions of my life. And I couldn't be more excited about it. So, see what happens.
A few moments later.
This is my victory drink.
Victory of what? What did you just do?
What did I just do? I didn't tell him yet.
About what part?
Everything.
Really?
Nothing.
Wow.
How's the forehead look, by the way?
Not bad, but let me tell you something, subscribers. Shemmy's been holding out on you guys badly.
Here it is, boys. This is the future right here. This is the future. When should I talk about it? I'm so tired, dude. The DMV kicked my ass. I'm gonna take a nap.
Well, you're legit now. The HD model. Looking crispy. I mean, it's no Chevrolet, you know, like mine, but it'll do.
Well, guys, it looks like right now is a good time to get you guys all up to speed. So, an hour ago, I just got dropped off the keys to my new shop space. So for some of you guys, this might be a big surprise. Others might already remember. I've been mentioning moving into a new, bigger shop space throughout the last month and a half, and we've been building up to this right now. Unfortunately, the shop space that we just acquired isn't the space that we anticipated from the beginning. The whole last month and a half, we've been anticipating moving into another shop space that had painted floors, had a few lifts installed, it had nice lights, it had air lines ran, it had a bunch of basically nice accessories to it already because it was already an existing shop that we were basically just kind of taking over. And really excited for it. I was really pumped. It's a big step, and unfortunately, my first night in Germany, I got a phone call saying that I lost the lease. Unfortunately, the previous owner of the shop dragged his feet too much, didn't submit the right paperwork, and I ended up not getting the property like I thought, which really sucks. That was like the 22nd of June. I already canceled my existing lease, and I was supposed to be out of here by the 1st in that shop, which was already a hustle. So I was freaking out the whole time in Germany, and so the day I got back, we went and looked at a few more spots, and we ended up finding another place that's pretty damn cool. Unfortunately, it's not all pretty and done up like the shop we were supposed to be going into, but it is a big step in the right direction, and it's gonna be pretty cool. The shop, luckily, is only about a quarter mile, if not a little bit more, from our existing shop now, so the move shouldn't be too difficult. It's a lot. It's crazy. Now, unlike the other shop, this one's completely unfinished. This is a complete blank slate, which sucks, but it's also cool because now we could build up our own platform and really feel like we earned it, and I'm really excited for it. So now we have like 3 days to hustle and move me completely out of my shop into this shop, and then the guys next door are actually taking over my existing shop. So I know we've been doing a lot of talking, but we have to get you guys up the pace because there's a lot going on. I've been holding off mentioning anything because things were so up in the air until literally an hour ago when I got handed these keys, and my life is a mess right now, but great things are gonna be coming from this. So we'll give you more details as time comes on, but right now my goal is to just start moving stuff into the new shop, which isn't even nearly finished yet, so hold your tongue on that one. We got a lot of work to do. We'll talk about it more. We got a lot of talking to do, but let's fill up some garbage bags with some trash. Let's start getting out of this shop and bringing it down to the new space. So I've been going crazy down here trying to get as much trash out as I possibly can. We just filled my whole truck bed up with stuff. I put probably 1,000 pounds worth of scrap metal in Drew's truck, but now is officially time to show you the new shop. I know I've been teasing it for the last 4 minutes. I was gonna wait until B got off of work and Derek was done tuning, but It won't be for a little while now, but we got the next best thing. We got Mama Oaks.
Me?
So she stopped by after work, and we're gonna go check it out, and she's gonna see it for the first time and see what she thinks.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm so psyched. Let's do this.
Like this, yeah, right here. This one right here. Yep. As you can see from the outside, it's kind of boring, which is good. It's low key. Let's check it out. Ready, Drew Tube?
We're ready. Tucker's ready to explore.
Tell you?
We ready? Oh!
Does it come with a snowmobile?
Oh!
It's just humongous.
Wow!
Isn't that crazy?
Awesome. Love it. Huge bathroom.
Yeah, huge everything.
You got spots for all the flags you got, too.
How crazy is this?
Wow.
So the property manager has been going crazy trying to clean this plot up as much as possible for me. Like 2 days ago, this thing was filled with trash, and now it's starting to look good. We got a lot of work to do to get this thing looking nice and performing nice and everything, but it's a good platform. It's a good start though.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Definitely need a Drew Tube power washing.
Oh, it does need a Drew Tube power wash for sure. This thing, I don't know how big it looks on camera, but this is at least triple our old shop. Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. It's triple.
Triple.
It's more than triple. This way.
Good math. Mental math.
Obviously the truck and the boat are going and all of this stuff, but
Back here is really nice.
yeah.
That's huge back there. And you can be incognito. Nobody will know you're here.
We're gonna get a nice corner shot. Drew, go stand in the middle with your arms up. Oh my God, dude, this looks massive on camera. Oh, it's definitely a little larger than anticipated. I wasn't aiming for a shop this big, but with the last minute selection, we kind of had to suck it up and, you know, bite off a little bit more than I think we could chew at the moment, but we'll work into it. There'll be a little bit of growing pains, but I think we'll manage. I think it's gonna leave us with some really good opportunities for growth and some really cool things that we'll talk about soon. We have some pretty badass things in the works that will make this space completely useful and worth its money. You stoked?
I am. This is wonderful. I can't wait to see and build your office with you. I get to be a part of it. And maybe there's room for a car for me.
Oh boy. Tucker's right at home.
Yeah.
What do you think, Tuki? I think that smile says he likes it. So the property manager is pretty badass. We've already talked about putting a lot of stuff into this unit. He's going to be installing new lights for me with brand new LED bulbs, so the lighting's brighter and more efficient. All the walls are going to be freshly painted white, which is sick. It's going to really brighten the place up and make it look a lot nicer. They're going to be tearing up all these old tiles right here and washing the floors, and there's just a lot to go on. And the transformation of this is going to be amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to come for the ride, because honestly, it's all about the transformation. Hopefully soon we'll get an office, probably right here. We were talking about it. They seem really up for it, which is awesome. I think it's gonna be a good spot.
Absolutely.
I forgot you
Oh
said
my
that there's
God,
a
you
shower.
have a shower in here.
I
funny is
forgot
that?
about that. You told me that earlier. I was like, there's a shower here? Look at that. It's honestly better than Dudley's spot.
Your favorite part's what? The shower?
Shower, yeah.
Just wait till all this stuff's out of here and the cars are in it. It's gonna be a whole different
The only
experience.
problem is what I'm worried about is you're never gonna come home.
As long as there's not a washer and dryer here, you're good.
Sick spot, huh?
It's looking pretty good. Wow, they really did put in some work already.
He showed up. What's up?
Hey guys, what's going on?
So, I mean, what do you think? It's a little much.
It's big. It may feel a little overwhelming right now, but it's completely empty, right? So it seems huge. I'm sure you're gonna get stuff
True.
in here,
It
and it's gonna
seems
seem a little bit
small.
less. Yeah, but it is it's a come up, right? As they say.
Exactly. So we're trying to just grow from here with this. What's cool about the shop is it leaves us plenty of room to grow, and we're not scared to grow, which is cool.
Yeah, we're not scared to work either. So I mean, even maybe possibly like customer things down the road or anything like that, it's room to grow, right?
So I guess that we could say, I mean, right now, like, why the hell not? Our main goal is to basically turn this into a whole, facility. I'd love to get a paint booth in here, something small, because we're always dying for that. Mm-hmm. I mean, really the main goal right now is to get a dyno. I mean, that was probably a big secret, but I don't care. The main goal is to get a dyno and go hard and just get stuff done.
Absolutely. Get these cars tuned, get these smiles on these people's faces, get these turbos boosting. It's all we need, right?
It's all we need. So I'm so excited to see the growth of the shop from, this bare, empty, shitty warehouse to something pretty cool. So I have the next 3 days of nothing but moving and cleaning. So let's get back to work and hope we survive this.
We'll make it. We'll survive.
Can you tell that I've been literally working nonstop for probably 5 hours now? Probably not. But we got my buddy's red R32 down there already. The purple Beamer is down there. It's actually sold, which is sick. They put a deposit on the other day. Actually made a decent amount of money off that car, which is pretty cool. And now it's just the rest of my cars. And I'm exhausted. I've been going all day. It looks like I didn't even do anything. Actually, it looks worse than before I started, which is the worst feeling ever. But with that, for now, we'll continue the chaos tomorrow. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we will see you guys tomorrow.